Hello, welcome back to LIVENODING. In this episode, I want to share this node tree created using geometry nodes. It's basically creating something that's a little bit abstract, but you might find something that's useful here. Let me reduce some of the complexity. So it could be just like a frame like this, or if I just get rid of this, it's like an extrusion, right? And okay, in this case, all I did was actually to use the extrude edge nodes. So there's one node that's responsible, is this guy, extrude mesh, and the rest of them is, you can probably already guess. Let me change this to just any type, I can type anything, piece for example, and I can change the, let me get rid of this one extrusion. Okay, so I can create like a wall of some sort. So the wall is extruding out. I'm using the solidify in this case. So we have like a text string. So originally I have string to curves, and then the text coming in from here, the input, and then I have resample, so we can resample the text, so we can resample more. Okay, I think I need to turn off the smoothing for now. Okay, this is better. And then we after we resample, we realize the instances, so it's become like a real curve that we can split. So it's becoming like mesh edges, polygon edges, and then we can scale. Okay, scale, this one is interesting. Maybe you can like you want to separate each and every edges, and then turning it into like some kind of wall. And then okay, from the side view, it might look like a simple block of cities, right? It's really simple, and it's extruded in the z-axis, so we can change the directions of the extrusion. And then here we have the, okay, I have modulo, like a modulo and a random value controlling these extrusions. Okay, so this one goes into the input. So like I said, it could be anything. It could be like, could be any text. Wonderful. I like to experiment with 3D typography. This is one type of example. So you could display your 3D render like this, but it's actually reading like some kind of writing. It becomes like some kind of 3D type if you look at it from the above. You can perhaps even like replace the blocks with different instance of other objects. Okay, so that's basically the idea. What else can we talk about here? Okay, extrude. Okay, if we use extrusion here, we can then use the solidify to create like a frame. So it's gonna look slightly different from before. So this one have some kind of thickness based on the previous extrusion. Maybe this is what you want, maybe you don't want this. Okay, scale elements. These scale elements also can work in multiple axes, so this is really useful. So you can control this extrusion, so it's a little bit more random if you want to. For now, just make it uniform, so we can just extrude it down or extrude it up. Originally, when I created this, I want to create some kind of a like a quick and easy neon light, where each neon is just like a shape, like a U. Okay, so that's probably possible as well. So based on the edge that you extruded, you can then get that line and turning it into like a neon. So that's another way to use this. So extrude mesh, maybe here, instead of extruding it twice, when this guy's, before I even extrude it, so it should be like an edge like this, and get rid of solidify. We can turn this back into curve, and then we can use curve to mesh, or curve fillet. Curve fillet still works. Okay, still works. So we can make it rounded, and then we can use circle. So we have something that's completely different from before. Still, I think it's pretty interesting looking like this. Okay, sorry about the noise. I think the neighbor's doing construction again. All right, so yeah, I think that's basically the idea. We can randomize the seed, but this could be like a neon, like I said. All right, so there you go. Hopefully you find this useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.